Hey, y'all, check this out. We are part of another collab. Hashtag better with bacon. The kids even screaming about it. You hear them about there? Better with bacon? They're hollering, yeah. Because everything is better with bacon, including, well, I say including what we're about to make. I don't know, I haven't tried this. The kids tell me it's good. Peanut butter and jelly is an awesome sandwich. I love peanut butter and jelly. But if you toast that peanut butter and jelly, it's even better. But I've been told that if you put bacon on that toasted peanut butter and jelly, it's even better. But we're going to find out. That's what we're going to make today. That's going to be our contribution to the hashtag better with bacon. And speaking of that hashtag, be sure to click on that hashtag and check out all the other channels that are part of this collaboration. And by the way, this collaboration has been gotten together again by Mr. Homeowner, Rob. Go check him out. Be sure to check out his channel. He does a lot of great stuff. He hosts a hot seat every Thursday night. He does a lot of great things for the whole YouTube community. He's a great friend of everybody. Be sure to check him out. Also, while you're down there, check out our links. We have a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram. We got a Twitter. We got an email. We got a P.O. box. We got all kind of things down there. So be sure to check it out. We also have a recipe playlist of all kind of recipes that we have done throughout the years. Yeah, we've been doing this a while. So check that out. And we're going to get to making this sandwich. I'm really, really interested to see how this is going to turn out because it don't sound that good, but then on the other hand, that salty and sweet mix sounds delicious. Let's find out. So let's fire this thing up. Let's show you some groceries. We'll get eating. Now, to make these sandwiches, we're not going to need a lot of real estate, so we're just going to go with the two middle ones. Let's get them fired up. We're going to turn them down to about a medium low. If we need to adjust, I'll let you know. The groceries for this is super simple. Of course, peanut butter and jelly. Got to have bread. Got to have peanut butter. Got to have jelly. Didn't get the expensive stuff. If you want to use that, that's perfectly fine. I did get some thick cut bacon. And what I did is I took 2 long strips, cut them in half, and we're going to put them on the sandwiches. Got some butter for toasting the bread and stuff to bread with. Y'all, that's it. It's going to be that simple. Once that griddle's heated up, we'll be making these things. The griddle is ready. So you know what that means? Time to get some groceries on the griddle. Let's do this. My favorite thing, y'all listen. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Loving that sizzle. Go ahead and throw our 4 pieces of bacon down. Get that cooked up. Then we'll be ready to build some sandwiches. It's gonna be that super simple, y'all. It sounds really weird. I'm really, really intrigued at how this is gonna turn out. All right, y'all. Bacon's cooking pretty good, but I'm gonna put a press on it just to ensure it lays flat. Put a press on here, push that bacon down. We're gonna flip it, press it back down. It's gonna be good. Let's give our bacon a flip. Man, that is some beautiful bacon, y'all. Y'all need to see this. All right, y'all, bacon's done. Let's slide it over to the side and let's start making our sandwiches. Look at that beautiful bacon, y'all. Look at that. Let's put over here to the side for right now. Uh-oh, we got one piece wanting to roll up no matter how much I press it out. That's okay, we're gonna make it work. Okay, let's make our peanut butter jelly sandwich. Get that bacon on there, throw it back on this griddle and get them toasted. All right, y'all, let's get the peanut butter on. Then we're gonna get the jelly on. Then get the bacon put together. It's a big old glob here. Oh yeah, there we go. Make it nice and thick. Now, if you want to use the crunchy peanut butter or whatever, that's completely up to you. You do it like you want. I like the creamy. There we go. Get some jelly on them. I don't know about you, but I like a lot of jelly on mine. And there again, if you want a different type of jelly, that's fine too. I love the grape jelly. But I've seen people use apple and strawberry and whatever. And they've even used jam. Now, I like the jelly. Get our bacon on here, y'all. And we got one strip that didn't want to do right, but that's all right. We're going to make it lay down. Look at that. We're going to do that with it. All right. Flip the jelly over on it. I just don't know about this, y'all. Not sure. Just not sure about it. Sandwiches are made. Let's get them toasted up. Now, both burners are on low now. I kind of cleaned that bacon grease up a little bit, so let's get some butter down. A good bit down here. Get these sandwiches on here. Now we'll let these go for just a minute or two, check them, flip them, do the same thing, we'll be ready to eat. Okay, they've been on a little over a minute, let's check them out. Oh yes, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That is the toast we're looking for right there. We'll let them go about a minute more maybe, and then we're gonna take them up and try them out. Okay, I think these things are done. Let's check them out real quick. Oh yeah, buddy. That's them. Let's take these things up, put them on the cutting board, and try them out. Man, these things are looking good. Y'all look at that. Okay, y'all, moment of truth, and look, one of the kids showed up again. You getting kind of used to this, ain't you? Yep. You think it's gonna be good? I love peanut butter and jelly. You like peanut butter and jelly? I love bacon. You love bacon? Yep. We're gonna try these things out together, y'all. I'm gonna cut this one here. Man, that toast is just so perfect. Uh-oh. Jelly's making a mess. Man, y'all look at that. Running everywhere. That jelly's hot. You gonna try that one? Yeah, let's try that. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. That. You having trouble there? You eat the whole thing. It's good, ain't it? Uh-oh, I got jelly dripping everywhere. Ah, wow. Never would have guessed. Peanut butter and jelly and bacon. Good, ain't it, man? He's still, look at him, he's still eating. He's got a piece of bacon in his mouth. Mmm. Wow. Yeah, buddy, this is good. Thank you, Junebug, for suggesting this. I wish you'd been out here to try it. This is delicious. Mmm. I can't quit eating it. Is it good? I mean, he's still eating it. Anyhow. Butter with bacon? Yes. Toasted peanut butter and jelly. I can put this down. Is better with bacon. Who'd have thought it? Who'd have thought? So be sure to check out that hashtag better with bacon. Be sure to check out all the other channels. Hey, if you have to, or if you want to, just let them know you came over from Crazy Pop channel. Really appreciate it. Show them some love. Hit that subscribe button for them. Their thumbs up, everything. It helps us all out. While you're doing all that, be sure to do the same for mine. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for the love. We got to finish these sandwiches. We'll see you next time.